Okay, we're 2 down, 1 to go. So this video, we're going to do our transition, then we're going to walk all the way down, and we're going to end our awakening dragon form. So we've just done our 4 different, 1, 2, 3. We ended up here. So let's just walk through it again from here. There's 1. Here's 2. Stretch. 3. And 4. Now we step forward with that left foot. Up comes the left hand, pressing up. And now imagine we are taking that paint and smearing it across the ceiling. Now we're facing fully to the right. We're going to extend the right and the left arms and smear with both of those hands. So we're smearing up. Then we're smearing ceiling and floor. Fully to the left, and smear again. We're smearing up and down the walls. And now we're going to go back into position facing the other direction. This time, the right hand is tilted forward, the left hand is under the dantian. So, from where we ended up, we come up, smear, all the way to the right. We go back. Up. And now we're falling back down into our position to go. And now we're going to do the same thing all the way back. 1. 2. 3. And 4. There we go. Now we should be facing the right again. We step forward, up, smear, smear the ceiling. Now on the left, smear, smear. Sky and the earth. Back up. Coming back around. And down. Now we're going to close. We end out by doing 3 of these breaths. We inhale as we come up. We exhale all the way down on the same exhale breath. We split and exhaust the lungs. So completely just let all the oxygen out of your lungs, completely exhaust it. So inhale and exhale. 1, 2. Exhaust. And number 3. Except this time, we only come down to the chest, we split, and we hold. We take a breath here. Imagine that the dragon is coming out, like pulling itself out of the pool. So we come here and we're holding this position. We take a breath. Exhale. Let the hands drop. Shift the weight into the right foot. Bring the feet together. Here we're going to pivot again. Inhale. Hands come all the way up. Our hands, hopefully my hands aren't being cut off, but our hands are making like a little box shape here. So we're coming up, and then we exhale. We start coming down. The hands slide, the right hand slides over the left one. The left hand grabs hold of that, and we form our Taiji mudra again. So we come up. As we exhale, we bring the hands down. We form our Taiji mudra. Bring it forward and let the head drop. Back to sleeping dragon. So we always start off in Sleeping Dragon and we end in Sleeping Dragon. So let's go through this whole set from where we were, from this fourth one here and to here, right? Sorry, here. So we stepped out. Inhale, exhale, smear all the way to the right. Inhale on the walls. Exhale, ceiling and floor. Inhale. Now here we go, we're going to sink down into our posture, ready to head that way. Take a breath. Let's start to walk. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Step out. Up comes the hand, smear. All the way to the left. Wiping. Across. Up. Back. And down. Here we go. Here comes our 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. And last one. Take a breath there. On the exhale, let the hands drop. We let the weight shift to the right. We step in. We pivot. Inhale. And that's it. Excellent. So that's the Awakening Dragon of the Dragon Dao Yin series. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.